Hi, I'm Danny Blaker from leanstartup.chat, and in this course I'm going to show you how you can create a spreadsheet that will automatically track your email sign-up KPIs from multiple landing pages using Zapier, MailChimp, and Google Scripts. Over the next 8 lectures, I'm going to show you how you can use Blogger to create 2 separate landing pages with MailChimp sign-up forms, how you can use a text editor to modify those forms so we can track each individual landing page, then how we can use Zapier to create an integration that will push all that data to a Google Sheet, then how we can customize our Google Sheet to track our email signups week by week and create an analysis for us, and finally, create a Google script that will automatically email your entire team each time you reach a KPI. I hope you really enjoyed this cool course and find lots of other applications to use the techniques that I show you. Looking forward to it, and I'll see you there.